This is my prickly pear cactus. It is eaten by the bugs. You can see the yellow spot on the leaf. That's where the bugs are eating it. Now bugs are hiding it because they can hear me, but I saw them, a bunch of them before, because they are grouped in one place and they're eating the plant. Cactus bugs are so smart they can hear me. So now they are slowly hiding behind the cactus leaf. Look, they think I cannot see them, but I can see you guys. I added 1 teaspoon of this soap in this water. I'm going to spray them in my cactuses wherever the bugs are. I can see they don't like the spray. They are running away. I want them to leave the plant. Come on, get away. This is a next day update. Yesterday I sprayed this soap water on this prickly pad. Today bugs are gone, but I'm sure the bugs travel to different prickly pear plant. I need to find them and I need to spray more soap water on the plant. Once prickly pear plants are infected by these cactus bugs, it is very hard to get rid of them. So we have to keep on repeating same process until completely they are gone. I love gardening. It's my passion. I'll be making more videos on gardening tips. See you in next video.